of H plus. Per liter ng OH. So it's very small talaga. So tingnan natin yun sa computation. So meron pa system which is H2PO4 minus, and it dissociates into H3O4 minus 2 plus H plus. Tapos, when you write the equilibrium constant expression, ang magsusulat sa kanya is the product times the reactant H2PO4 minus, and this is equivalent to 6.2 times 10 to the minus 8. Sabi dito, you prepare pH 7.4. So according to Henderson-Hasselbalch equation, pH equals pKa plus the logarithm of the base form, HPO4 minus 2 divided by H2PO4 minus. Tapos, pag tinanswer mo siya sa kabila, so log of HPO4 minus 2 divided by H2PO4 minus equals pH minus pKa. So the pH, sabi dito, is 7.4. So what is the pKa? pKa equals minus the logarithm of A, which is minus the logarithm of 6.2 times 10 to the minus 8, which is about 7.2. So minus 7.2. So this is equivalent to about 0.2. Tapos, in order to get the ratio, i-antilog mo ito. When you do that, you're going to get the ratio of the number of the concentration of H4 minus HPO4 minus 2 over H2PO4 minus, and this is about an antilog of 0.2. So, shift load it's about 1.5849. 1.5849. So, sabi ko sa inyo, ilalagay nyo yung 1 consignado, then ito po current siya. So, that will be 2.5849. Then, percentage na ito should be divided by 2.5849 times 1. Ito naman, 1 divided by 2.5849 times 1. So when you do that, we're going to have 1.5849 divided by 2.5849 equals times 100, which is 61.31%. And then yung isa naman ay 1 divided by 2.5849 equals times 100 is 38.69%. Top percentage niya. So what is the total number of moles that you're asked to compute, or to estimate? So makukuha mo yun sa molarity ng solution at saka dun sa volume. So total number of moles equals, ano yung molarity niya? 0.2 daw. 0.2. Ibig sabihin ng molar moles per liter times the volume, which is 250 ml in liter, 0.25 liters. So the total is 0.2 times 0.25, which is about 0.05 mole total. So how much of that, what is the amount of, let's say, HPO4, K2HPO4, which is equivalent to the total number of moles, 0.05, multiplied in percentage, which is 0.6131% times yung molecular weight. The molecular weight of that is about 174. So, nakapagod mole, so that would be equivalent to 0.05, ito yung total number of moles, times the percentage, which is 0.61, 0.6131, times the molecular weight, which is 174.2. And that will give you about 5.34 grams. So yun, 5.34 grams. What is the amount of K H2PO4, which is equivalent to the total number of moles, 0.75 moles, times anong percentage doon ang H2PO4? 38.69, 0.3869. Tapos, so moles siya, grams ang kailangan natin. So the molecular weight of that is 136.1. 136.1 grams per mole. So you cancel that. Cancel the mole. And then you're left with the number of grams. 0.05 times 0.3869 times 136.1, which is about 2.60 grams. So yun mag-calculate na amount na ibig sabihin nito, you weigh 2.63 grams of this and then 5.34 grams of that. You dissolve that in enough water to make 250 ml, and approximately the pH should be 7.4. So halimbawa, mag-experiment kayo, bibinigay yung amounts kasi ng mga salts that you need to weigh. So, pag pinapit nyo kailangan, more or less, closure na yung value sa concentration. Then, doon naman sa mga theoretical pH,